More than 30 US states will begin reopening their economies this weekend after federal stay-at-home guidelines expired. As restaurants, retail, cinemas and salons start to open up shop, health experts are warning of a jump in the death toll.
Frustration across the country boiling over, as more than 30 states will be partially reopened by the end of the week. But some states like Michigan, with its stay-at-home order extending until May 15th.
For anyone to declare mission accomplished means that they're turning a blind eye to the fact that over 600 people have died in the last 72 hours.
Protesters gather at the state capitol. Unhappy the state is still shut down.
Everyone's entitled to their opinion, but I am not going to make decisions about our public health based on political games.
A protest also in Georgia, but this time against the governor's decision to lift the shelter-in-place order this week. Frustrated Georgians organizing a mock funeral procession with a number of hearses passing the State House, believing the state order is a threat to lives. These clashes highlighting the lack of national strategy in combating the pandemic and the struggle states are facing, trying to balance public health concerns with the growing economic hardships. Just a month ago, 9 out of 10 Americans were under stay-at-home orders. But starting today, millions of Americans will be able to eat at restaurants. Like in Texas, where retail stores, malls, and theaters are also allowed to reopen with limits on occupancy and the governor's order superseding local restrictions. On Saturday, New Jersey will reopen all state parks and golf courses, but social distancing is still mandated. And in California,
we're going to do a hard close in that part of the state, just in the Orange County area.
2 cities in Orange County filing an injunction against the governor after he made that announcement. In Oklahoma, places of worship will be allowed to host gatherings as long as the staff and volunteers wear masks. But the nation's top infectious disease expert tells CNN he fears some states are easing restrictions too soon.
When you pull back mitigation, you're going to start seeing cases crop up here and there. And if you're not able to handle them, you're going to see another peak, a spike. And then you almost have to turn the clock back